Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to check east, west, north, or south in Google Maps. Whether you're planning a road trip, navigating to a new location, or simply trying to get your bearings, understanding directions in Google Maps is an essential skill that helps you orient yourself properly. First, open your browser and navigate to google.com/maps. This will take you directly to the Google Maps interface where you can access all the navigation and directional tools you need. Once the page loads, you'll see the familiar map view with various controls and options available. Now, to check east, west, north, or south on Google Maps, look towards the right side of your screen. You'll notice a compass icon positioned there. This compass is your key to understanding directions and orientation on the map. It's a simple yet powerful tool that many users overlook, but it's incredibly helpful for determining which way you're facing or which direction a route takes. Here's where it gets really straightforward. All you need to do is understand how to read the compass. The compass features a red arrow that points in different directions depending on how the map is oriented. If the red arrow is pointed to the left side, that indicates west. If the arrow is pointing upward towards the top, that's north. When the red arrow points to the right side, you're looking at east. And finally, if the arrow is pointing downward at the bottom, that indicates south. This visual guide makes it incredibly easy to determine your cardinal directions at a glance without any complicated calculations or guesswork. And that's it. You now know how to quickly identify directions using the compass tool in Google Maps, making your navigation experience much more intuitive and informed. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.